warm and pleasant morning to all. It's really nice to wake up in the morning realizing that God has given us another day to live and cherish the beautiful things around us. Each day that we live is a gift from God. So let us thank God for all His blessings. Stand up, all of you, join your hands, close your eyes and start the morning prayer. Father, we thank Thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care and all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good. In all we do, at work or play, to grow more loving every day.
All of you join your hands, close your eyes and sing Kalyan Prarthana. Astu ma sadgamaya tamsu ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Astu ma sadgamaya tamsu ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Astu ma sadgamaya tamsu ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Morning assembly is an integral part of school's schedule. It includes prayers, informations of the latest happenings, inspiring thoughts, speech, national anthem, etc. All these activities help in the overall development of the child. It is very essential to understand that morning assembly is not just standing and singing the prayers. It is something beyond just prayers. All the activities carried out in the assembly by the staff and students have a great influence in every point of life. So, now the students of class 1F will tell you some of the benefits of morning assembly.
My name is Araf Kevat. I study in class 1st F. The first benefit of school assembly is understanding the school in a better way. We get to know about our school and its achievements in a better way because of the discussions that are conducted by teachers and students during the assembly. I am Shetwani from class 1st F. The second benefit of school assembly is we learn valuable lessons. The activities carried out in the assembly gave valuable moral teachings for life, which acts as a strong pillar in our moral development. I am Tejasmani Bhalavi from class 1st F. The third benefit of morning assembly is confidence building. We are encouraged to showcase small activity delivering some meaningful lesson. In this way, we feel to be a part of the school and become confident. Thank you.
Birthday is a day which allows the family and friends to express the love for their dear ones. So now let us shower our blessings on all those students who have their birthday today.
Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Oh, this is your birthday song. Oh, celebrations all day long. Oh, may all your dreams come true. We all sing together. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. And may all your dreams come true. And may all your dreams come true.
Now we will conclude our assembly. So all of you will stand in attention position, hands by your sides. Okay?
All of you stand up and ready for national song Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Shashi Shyamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna Pulkitiyamini, Pulkusumita Bhruvadala Shobhini, Shubhasini Sumadhur Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय.
Thank you children. Have a nice day.